Hi, this is Josh Lange, founder and director of the Advanced Language Institute. People ask me often, Josh, how is it that you got 3 master's degrees from top universities, certificates, and a PhD while working full-time and taking care of your child? And you must be a workaholic, they tell me. And I say, no, actually, I just learned the skills in order to effectively and efficiently study online and face-to-face at any university. And so when my friends here behind me at Amity University asked, Josh, when you're on lockdown, could you help us help our students with a free course that gives them the skills to effectively maximize their study time online so that they can use this time effectively while we're all on lockdown? And I said, sure. Let's do it. We're going to start with part of our broader course, which is the Master's Bridge in English, by giving you the first 4 lessons, which include giving you the skills to globally understand any text or speech within a couple of minutes, know what relevant content is, know what the valuable, credible content is, and then be able to adapt that and use that in your study and academic environment. We're going to increase your speed of reading, writing, speaking, and listening, and your ability to communicate in all of these areas across academic contexts. We're also going to give you the grammar and punctuation skills in order to understand how to effectively search on Google and other search engines so that you get the best results that are most relevant to your academic needs. We're going to do this all for free through Amity University, and we look forward to giving you personalized feedback when you complete your own study skills list. Good luck, and we'll see you on the course.